Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to enter the radius of a circle and calculate the area of a circle. So given input to your Python program is the radius of a circle. So you have to calculate the area of a circle and print it as output. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So before solving this problem, so you have to understand the area of a circle formula. So area of a circle is equals to, this is pi multiplied by radius the whole square. So given the radius, so you have to square it and multiply it with a constant, that is pi value 3.14. So once you multiply the pi with the radius the whole square will give you the area of a circle. So this is a formula for calculating the area of a circle. So now let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable that is radius and use the input function call to ask a user to enter the radius of a circle. Yeah, so once the user enters the radius of a circle, so it will be of string type. So let us convert from string type to a floating point value. Yeah, so now what we'll do is we'll try to check if the radius is a positive number. So if the radius is, that is greater than or equals to 0, so generally radius cannot be negative value. So if the positive number is entered, so what we do is we take a variable that is area and try to find the, that is use this particular formula, that is pi r square. And in order to use this formula, so we need to import the pi value from the math. So let's import it from math. Just import the constant, that is pi. So we will be using the pi value multiplied by the radius, and you can also use star radius, or also you can change this to double star in order to raise the, that is get the exponential radius square. Yeah, so once we get the area of the circle, so let us try to use the print function to print the area of a circle. So let's say area of circle is, so let's give colon and let us try to print percentage point to f, and let's print the percentage area, space area. Yeah, so this is how we try to reduce the decimals in the floating point value. Yeah, so for the negative scenario where radius is negative, so let us take an else block and try to print the negative message, that is radius cannot be negative value. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to enter the radius of a circle and calculate the area of a circle. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so enter the radius of a circle. So let's give 2. So you can see area of a circle is 12.57. So let's run it again. Let's give 12. So you can see area of a circle is 452.39. Now let's see, let's try to give input as negative number and let's see how it works. Minus 4. So you can see radius cannot be a negative value. So this is the negative scenario and error message is printed. So let's run it again. Let's give 0. So you can see area of a circle is 0. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to enter the radius of a circle and calculate the area of a circle. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.